I want to film a bike trick, but it's cold, so let's change that. So for the people that don't know, I'm actually in Dubai. If you haven't realized yet, that is the Burj Khalifa. Okay, I'll try to keep it nice and simple. So the handlebars, Chromag OSX, 35 millimeters thickness and 25 millimeters rise, and they are 720 millimeters long. So it's really good for bar spins. I really like this handlebar. Moving on, we have my lever, my gyro, and this is the Odyssey M2 MK2 lever, the short one. The top cable is Tidal. The gyro plate actually is made by my grandpa, so very stoked on that one. The gyro itself is the Odyssey, and lower cable Odyssey, and my caliper is actually Avid BB7 road version, so it works really nice. Don't get the MTB version if you want a gyro, just have the road one. Trust me, works better. I've tried both. My heart of the bike, which is the frame, is the NS Decade in the chocolate color 2021 version. Sorry guys, it's kind of windy, but moving on. My fork, RockShox Spike DJ, standard for dirt jumping. My wheels, the rims are Data Suisse EX 471. They're light and very good. My front hub is Novatec. It's cheap and light and good. You can see the signature orange tube. Yeah, in the front I have the Tubolito tube, testing it out, and it's been really good actually. It didn't pop or anything. I have the Schwalbe Bill Bunker in the 2.1 millimeter thickness. It's also good, and it's foldable tires. It doesn't have the wires, so it's really light. So my cranks are the Odyssey Thunderbolts in 165 millimeter wide, no, not wide, length, and I have the Chromag synth pedals. They're not too grippy, not enough grip. They're the perfect pedal for me. The chain, just like a SRAM chain. My back wheel is almost the same as the front wheel, but I have a free coaster on my bike, which is really sick. For anyone that doesn't know what a free coaster is, let me show you. And for the gear that I ride in, I broke my ankle a year ago, so I ride in Space Brace. Knee pads are the Fox D30 D30, X-Fuse shin whip pads, and a TSG down helmet with double foam because it fits my head better. So yeah. And for the shoes, I ride in the Vans half cab shoes with the Pop Cush, and they're okay. They're above the ankle, so they provide a better stabilization for your foot so it doesn't break. And these are size 46, and I got my cap.